1999 Lexus GS400. Look at this sexy beast. Really clean car. It's got that really nice set of wheels on it. And I think he clay barred it, looks like. Or what's that, ceramic coat? Ceramic, yeah, I think it is. Anyways, we got factory converters there and there. And then it was rotted out here. We usually start in the back over there, but these are really bad about the heat shields rotting out because they put fiberglass in them. You see this fiberglass on the ground? That's usually wrapped around the pipe here on this side and this side. So when they wrap them, moisture collects under them, and over many years, it rots out the pipe. So we always take it off and just run new pipe like that. It looks a lot better. But we true dualed it all the way back with an X pipe, then 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back into some BORLA Pro XS there and there. Here's the part number 40358. There'll be a link in the description for it, and there'll be a link in the description for the X pipe. And then we also got the 4-inch double wall stainless steel tips there and there. There'll be a link in the description for them. As you guys see, it came out really beautiful, really clean, all the way back. And there's the factory pipe. And as you guys can see, like I was telling you, you see them, they're rotted out. I don't know if you can see it here, but they're rotted out everywhere from the heat shields. There's the resonators and a baby resonator, and then 2 stock mufflers there and there. That's the whole system we cut off right there and replaced it with that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Do all you guys do for us. We really appreciate it. Not bad. Oh, that's bad. I like it. Not bad at all. Again. That's clean, the board. Here's sound decibels. Again. 97. Again. That's not bad. Sounds good. Go ahead and back it out. Lexus GS400. BORLA Pro XS and X pipe. Man, that sounds good. I like it. There she is. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's clean. Sounds really nice.